You can now use AppMap with VS Code dev containers to create app maps from inside of your Docker containers. To get started, create a new dev container project or connect to an existing dev container configuration. From here, you can generate app maps by running your test cases inside of Docker. Tests will be executed and your app maps will be generated inside of your container. Select an app map to open it in your editor and navigate as you normally would. You can view sequence diagrams of your code interactions. You can view the packages, classes, and even SQL queries executed by your code. View your code inside of flame graphs to identify performance problems and debug complex code bases with dependency maps. You can also run your application inside your dev containers. Run your application and VS Code will forward the ports automatically. From here, interact with your application to generate maps. You can now view these maps inside of VS Code. Sequence diagrams from the API to the database. This includes AppMap analysis findings, such as this N+1 SQL query that was found as we were interacting with our application.